So you might be in a situation where for some reason Spotify is giving you this error message which tells you that Spotify can't play this song right now. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and see how you're going through and playing the song. Is it through a computer or is it through a phone? If it's through a desktop PC, the first thing that's recommended is to go through and basically disable any hardware acceleration that you might have. So that's kind of one of the first things. If you're inside of your standard type of application like this, what I would recommend doing is to go through and just try closing out of the application. So close out of the application and then just jump back into the application right after that. So go through, close out of the application and give it a few moments and then open up the application again, and that should theoretically end up fixing the problem. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to try going through and seeing if there's an update available for Spotify. So go inside of your app store like this, and what I'd recommend doing here is to just try updating your Spotify application. So jump right into here, click on update, and that's another really important thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about as well. Now, you might also want to double check that particular song that you're playing. If there's errors with the song, that can also be an issue. If it's an out of region song, you're going to have to go inside of that region to play that song. But those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.